Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise which is triangle. Okay. Now in that class we also take and solve the same chapter triangle, and in that class dear students we take and solve some important question of your syllabus based on triangle. Okay, so let us take some important question and simplify them. Let's see this. We take a question and simplify them, and your question is what? ABC is a right triangle in which ABC is a right is a triangle in which, sorry, ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which AB is equal to what? AC. AB is equal to AC, and D is any point in BC. D is any point in BC. Okay, prove that AB square minus AD square is equal to AB square minus AD square is equal to BD into CD. This is a very important question. Okay, now let's see here. This is the question here, dear students. Here ABC is a triangle. Okay, so first of all, in which AB is equal to AC. Okay, and D be any point in BC, prove that AB square minus AD square in BD into CD. So first of all, we draw a triangle ABC. Let's see. First of all, dear friends, we draw a triangle ABC. Okay, dear friends. First of all, we draw a triangle ABC. Okay. Now, and we take DB any point on BC. Okay, and from question the side AB is equal to AC is given, that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, which is given in our question. Okay, now and D is any point in BC. Suppose that D be any point in BC, such that now let's see. We have to show that AB square is equal to minus AD square is equal to BD into CD. So now we have to do, now first of all we join the side AD. Now we join what? The point AD, and we have to do some construction, and we draw AE perpendicular to BC. Okay, for that question, dear student, we have to do some construction, because of without any construction we can't solve that question, because this is a very important question. Okay, now let's see its solution. Here students, here AB is equal to AC. Okay, now let's see here AB is equal to AC, and we draw AE perpendicular to BC. We have to do some construction. Now dear student, let's see. Now we draw AE perpendicular to BC. Now let's see. Now dear student, in triangle Now let's see. Now in triangle AEB, now in triangle AEB and triangle AEC, we have what we have. Let's see what we have in both the triangle, dear students. AB is equal to AC, which is given in our relation, which is given in AB is equal to AC. This is given. Okay, and in both the triangle AE is common, na? If dear student AB is equal to AC, that means we also have angle B is equal to angle C because of the angle opposite to equal sides. The angle opposite to equal side is also equal. So if AB is equal to AC, then angle B is equal to angle C also. And now AE is equal to A. This is common. A is equal to A. This is what? Common side, na? This is what? Common side. Thus, by SAS criteria, thus by SAS, thus triangle AEB, thus triangle AEB is what? Congruence to triangle AEC, triangle AEC. Thus by CPCT we have what? B is equal to CE. B is equal to C. B is equal to C. Okay. Now we have to show that B is equal to C. Take equation number 1. Take equation number 1. Now let's see. Okay, dear students. So from figure, first of all, what I do, we have to do some construction in that question. A perpendicular to what? BC. Okay, and now in triangle AEB and AEC, we have to show that it is congruence to each other. So by CPCT, we have B is equal to C. In this way, E is the midpoint of BC. EB is equal, BE is equal to CE, na? Okay. Now, dear student, what I do? Let's see. Now, since AED and triangle ABE. Now, let's see. Now, in proving the theorem, so first of all, we find AD square and AB square. Okay, now in triangle AED. Okay, now let's see. Now in triangle AED, we have what we have? What we have, dear students? Let's see. In triangle AED, this is your hypotenuse as AD square. So AD square is equal to what? AD square is equal to what? AE square plus DE square. A square plus D square. And this one in triangle ABE. Let's see. ABE. In triangle ABE. This one in triangle ABE. This is your hypotenuse as AB square. So AB square is equal to what? AB square is equal to BE square plus AE square. Now what I do? Now we have to do. Now we do what? The way subtract. Let's see equation number 2. This is equation number 3. Now what? We subtracting them. We subtracting because of we have to show that AB square minus AD square. So now we subtracting them. Let's see. BD into CD. We have to show that what? BD into CD. BD into CD. Okay. Now dear friends, let's see. Now equation 3. Equation 3 minus equation 2. We get. Okay. Now we equation 3 minus equation 2. We get what? AB square minus AD square. Okay, na? A. Okay. Okay. So we have AB square minus AD square is equal to the value of AB square is what? This is B square plus AE square. Okay, minus the value of AD square. So this is minus AE square. Okay, this is minus plus minus B square. Now let's see A square what? Cancel to each other. A square what? Cancel to each other. So we get what? That is B square minus DE square. DE square minus DE square. Now what I do? So we get as BE square minus D. So we can write we apply the identity A square minus B square as what? A plus B into A minus B. So we have what as AB square minus AB square is equal to A square minus B square is what? This is A plus B into A minus B. Now from figure, now let's see. This is BE. BE plus DE. BE plus DE what? What we write? Let's see. BE is equal to C. We have to show that, na? Let's see here. BE is equal to C. Okay? So we write using 1. Using equation 1. Let's see. Now using equation 1 we get what? This is AB square minus AD square is equal to, we put B as C. So this is C plus D into the value of BE minus DE. BE minus DE. Okay, write as it is. BE minus DE. Now, thus from figure, what we have, AB square minus AD square is equal to, let's see, CE plus DE is equal to CD. So we can write what? This is here CD into BE minus BD. Let's see. BE minus D is equal to what? BD into BD. Thus, the student from figure, we have what we have? AD square minus AD square is equal to CD into BD. Hence proved our result. Okay, dear student. Thus, this is the very important question of your syllabus based on the topic triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, so please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now dear students, we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on triangle. Okay, let's see. Let us take a question, and the question is what? Let's see. The perpendicular AD. Okay, let's see the question. The perpendicular AC. Sorry, the perpendicular AD. The perpendicular AD on the base BC, on the base BC of a triangle ABC, intersects BC at D, intersects BC at D, so that DB is equal to 3 times CD. This is a relationship. This is a what? A relationship is given in our question. Prove that prove that 2ab square 2ab is equal to 2ac square 2ac square plus bc square 2 plus bc. Let's see its solution. Dear students, this is a very important question of your syllabus. Okay, so please, dear students, concentrate on this question, because of this is a very important question of your syllabus. Okay, let's see here. The perpendicular AD on the base BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC. And first of all, we draw a triangle ABC. Okay, let's see. First of all, we draw a triangle ABC in which here first of all we write given relation. Given DB is equal to 3 times CD. Take equation number 1. DB is equal to 3 times CD. Suppose that here D we take that case. So AD perpendicular to CD here, and AD is perpendicular to base BC. Okay, perpendicular AD base BC. Okay, this is the given in our relation. Now we have to show that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So for that solution, for that dear student, first of all we have, let's see, from figure the value of BC is equal to BD plus CD. That is the value of BC. The value of BD is about 3 times CD, and plus CD already here. So BC is equal to 4 into CD. That is CD is equal to 1 upon 4 of BC by 4. Okay. Similarly from equation 1 we get DB is equal to 3 by 4 into, we put the value of CD as 1 by 4, so 3 by 4 into BC. Okay, take equation number, this is the given. Okay, so take here 1, take, this is the relation equation 2. Okay, so now first of all, we find the value of CD in the respect of BC, and also we find the value of DB in the respect of BC, and we take as equation 1 and equation 2. Now we find the square of side AD and AC. So first of all we take a right angle triangle ADB. Okay, now let's see. Thus in triangle ADB we get what? This is AB square AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Plus what? BD square. Okay, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, dear friends. Now take equation number 3, and in triangle ADC we get, again we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to what? AD square plus CD square. Take equation number 4. Now what I do, dear friend? So in this way we form two more triangles also. Now dear friend, we just eliminating AD square, so we must be subtract equation 3 minus equation 4, because of there are no use of AD square in our result. So we eliminate the value of AD square. So for that, let's see. Now equation 3 minus equation 4. Equation 3 minus equation 4, we get that is AB square, okay, minus AC square is equal to, this is the value of AB square is what? AD square plus BD square minus, the value of this is minus AD square, minus plus minus, this is CD square. Okay, dear students, now what I do? Let's see here. AD square, what? Cancel to each other. Now we get as AB square minus AC square is equal to BD square minus CD square. Take equation number 5. Now we are using equation 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5 means that we put the value of BD as 3 by 4 BC and put the value of CD as BC by 4. Okay, now let's see. This is equation 1 here. Now using equation 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5 we get now using equation 1, 2 and 5 we get what we get? Let's see. We get as AB square minus AC square is equal to, we put the value of BD as 3 by 4 BC, so we put 3 by 4 into BC square minus the value of CD is what? 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of BC square. So we get as AB square minus AC square over 3 is 9 upon 4 for 16 into BC square, 9 upon 16 BC square, okay, minus 1 upon 4 is 16 into BC square. Okay, now let's see. Now we get as AB square minus AC square is equal to, we take 16 as LCM, so 9 BC square minus BC square upon 16, that is what I get? We get as AB square minus AC square is equal to 8 upon 16 BC square. 8 upon 16 BC square. Now here 8 1 by 8, 8 2 is 16. Thus we have what? AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square upon 2. Now we do the cross multiplication, that is 2 into AB square minus 2 into AC square is equal to BC square. So we get as 2 into AB square is equal to, transfer that side, plus 2 into AC square plus BC square. Hence prove that result. Okay, dear students, so this is the very important question of your syllabus. Okay, so please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Dear students. Okay, now we take and solve a very important question of your syllabus based on triangle. Okay, let's see, dear students. We take a very easy question. Now let's see the question. In a triangle ABC, In a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to AD is perpendicular to AD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that first point AB square plus CD square is equal to what? AC square plus BD square. Okay. Okay. Now let's see. This is the question here. Okay. Prove that this. Now let's solve it. Reason here, first of all, we draw a triangle ABC. Okay, let's see. So first of all, we draw a triangle ABC, and in that triangle AD perpendicular to BC. So we draw AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay. Now we have to show that AB square plus CD square is equal to this. Now AB square and CD square. Okay. Really. Now first, now in triangle ADB we get this is the hypotenuse. Okay. So AB square is equal to what? AD square plus BD square. Take equation number 1. And in triangle ABC we get what? AC square is equal to AD square plus CD. Take equation 2. Now equation 1 minus equation 2. We can be subtracting them by eliminating the AD square. Okay, so AB square minus AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square minus this is AD square minus CD square. Now AD square cancel to each other. Now minus AD square transfer that side, so we get AB square plus CD square is equal to BD AC square transfer that side, so plus AC square and plus BD square, right? BD square. Hence prove that result. Let's see once more time. First of all, proving that question, first of all we take triangle, we draw a triangle ABC, we draw a triangle what? ABC, na? And after drawing that triangle, we draw AD is perpendicular to what? AD is perpendicular to what? BC. AD is perpendicular to BC because of their strengths. According to question in a triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Now, first we take what? We take triangle ADB. We take triangle ABD and ADB and we apply the concept of Pythagoras theorem. This is AC square, AB square is equal to this. The square of this and this side. Okay, after that, we apply in take triangle ADC, we apply again the Pythagoras theorem. So, for that, this is AC square is equal to what? AD square plus CD square. Okay, dear students. Now what I do? We subtracting them by eliminating the AD square. Hence, after that we get AB square minus AC square is equal to we get as BD square minus CD square. Now we transfer CD square that side. Okay, and AC minus AC square that side. So we get our result. Okay, dear students. Okay, so we transfer A minus A square that side, so we get plus AC square, and this is plus BD square already is here. Thus, in this way, dear students, we proved that result. So please, dear students, now in this way, in today's class, we take some very important question of your NCERT and your syllabus of the chapter triangle. Now, first of all, dear students, you do more and more practices of all the questions of your book and of your side book, any sample paper based on triangle, and please do more and more practices of all the questions which we discuss in that class and also in previous classes. After that, you complete you practice the each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now, dear students, in next class we take and solve some other important topic of your syllabus. Okay, dear students. Now, thanks to all.